Why does your scanner show the P0760 engine code? What does it mean? P0760 is a diagnostic trouble code for Shift Solenoid C Malfunction within the vehicle's automatic transmission. This engine code indicates that there is a problem with the C solenoid, which is responsible for controlling the flow of transmission fluid and thus the gear shifting process. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This code is caused by these possible faults in your car. Faulty shift solenoid. Electrical issues. Transmission valve body. Fluid issues. Restricted hydraulic passages. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those manufactured in 1996. It commonly occurs in various vehicles with automatic transmissions, including Dodge, Ford, and others. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.